I'm going to show how I sharpen fish hooks using the triangle sharp maker by Spyderco. Great tool. I'll put a link in the description below where you can purchase this at. This is the base. I'm going to take one of the white are the smoother stones. The gray are more abrasive. I'm going to put the stone in there like this so that this groove is pointing that way, and this works well for larger fish hooks. And this groove right here, I'm going to put that tip of the hook right in there and slide that up and down, working it back and forth. And over this side. It's nice and sharp. And then for doing smaller hooks, taking the two finer ones, holding those together, and pretty small hook, and then the groove between the two stones, just going to slide that back and forth, up and down, and move it back and forth and sharpen that point of the hook. That looks good. Fast and easy. The triangle sharp maker will sharpen straight edge knives, serrated and scalped edge knives, fillet knives, or very sharp flexible knives, electric knives, regular shears and scissors, tin snips, thinning shears, nail clippers, pinking shears. I sharpened my mom's years ago. It worked great. Shears with radical bevel, wire cutters, side cutters, cuticle nippers, fish hooks, pointed objects, rudder bits, all types, chisels and plane blades, spade bits, paddle bits, flat bits, drill bits, wood gouges, screwdrivers, flat and Phillips, axes and hatchets, potato, carrot peelers, straight edge razors. Incredible tool. When I sharpen a lot of things, I don't know if you can see on this edge, it's all silver, which means it's full of steel. Harder to tell on these medium grit, but I'm assuming they are too. So manufacturer recommends on this model that I have, I don't know what the new ones are, is using a non-metallic cleaning pad. Let's get that a little bit wet. And then using some type of a cleanser, Ajax Comet. I just have some Bon Ami, so use that. Put a little bit on this pad. And just rub them off, clean them up. Oh, it's taking that steel right off at that point. This is a 3M Scotch pad, kind of a used up one, but it seems to be working fine. Down in that groove. Rinse this off. This is just plain water in this bucket. sticks don't fit into this ice cream bucket, but I'll set them up on a pencil so the air can get underneath and let them dry. And I'll do the 3 other stones, let those dry. Pretty simple to clean them up. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.